How to repair cracks in concrete in 3 easy steps. 3 things are certain in life: death, taxes, and cracks in concrete. Luckily, repairing unsightly cracks is inexpensive and easy. Plus, mending these cracks does more than improve the appearance. You're also closing the door on water's ability to penetrate beyond the surface, which extends the lifespan of any driveway, walkway, or patio. To keep water from entering small cracks and weeds from coming through, follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Clean the surface. Before starting your concrete crack repair, you must first prepare the surface to ensure the repair job lasts. Break off anything thin and brittle around the crack using a masonry chisel and hammer, and don't forget eye protection. Chip the concrete down to a depth of 1 inch below the surface. Scrape away old caulk using a metal putty knife. Remove dirt and loose material using a pressure washer or a leaf blower. Ensure the area is dry and completely free of debris before proceeding. Don't waste your time trying to skip this step, as failing to prepare can cause the concrete to crack again. Step 2. Caulk or mortar. Ensure the crack and the surrounding area are dry before caulking. Fill the crack with a backer rod if it's deeper than ½ inch. For flat surfaces, a gray, self-leveling caulk is ideal, while a more viscous, non-sag caulk works for sloped or vertical areas. Apply the caulk, wet your finger, and smooth for a clean finish. For larger cracks, consider using a mortar mix, blending it to match the existing surface for a seamless look. Step 3. Now that you've done the hard work, take a moment to relax, but avoid driving or walking on the repaired area until it fully cures. This step is crucial for ensuring a long-lasting repair. If you're sealing cracks in a driveway, we suggest doing one side at a time so you don't fully block access to the garage. 3 to 5 days might sound like a long time to wait, but tire tracks and caulk joints last forever. Tips for driveways, floors, and patios. If your driveway is full of cracks, then the prior steps may not be quite enough to address the problem. Concrete resurfacing options, such as overlays or micro-toppings, can repair cracks in these larger surfaces. A cracked floor slab needs a little extra attention to detail, since you want it to be just as smooth and even as it was the day it was poured. Following the same steps above is your best bet, but aim for a more delicate touch so that the repair product blends seamlessly with the existing slab. As for patios, repairing hairline cracks is a great way to prevent dirt, debris, and weeds from becoming issues. To repair your patio, follow the same 3 steps, but be aware that larger cracks might need a resurfacing product, just like a driveway with large cracks. Want to learn more about repairing concrete cracks yourself? Discover how easy it is to transform your surfaces at our website, ics50.com.